understand what is happiness, most of us look at others and think whatever makes others happy will make us happy too.
We try to find happiness while searching through electronic and social media, looking at Facebook posts of others and ignoring our inner self. As a result, even after doing everything that is trending, we feel hollow and unhappy.
When I tried to search what really makes me happy, I discovered many things, but the most important factor is that anyone can only be happy when he or she is healthy.
A food lover won't be able to eat foods he loves. A travel lover won't be able to travel to places he loves. A socializer won't be able to join gatherings he loves when he or she is not healthy. To remain healthy, we must eat healthy foods and avoid junk food and maintain an active lifestyle which involves sports and exercises on daily basis.
When we know we won't be able to do anything that we love to do,
If you're not healthy,
then it is our obligation to try to be healthy and active all our lives.
remember,
remember,
remember, an unhealthy person is dependent upon others,
While a healthy person takes care of everyone around.
so be healthy and be happy.